my BoxyCharm got here for the month of July, and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. Here's a little card that tells you more information about the products on the back and also the prices. First item I pull out is this shampoo and conditioner. These smell really good. They smell like coconut. I can't wait to try them out. Next up from Ciate London, this is Everyday Vacay. This is a setting mist, and this also smells like coconut. Smells really good. Next up, this is Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Serum, and this smells really nice. You can smell a little bit of the watermelon, and I can't wait to try it. Next up, I got this eyeliner. It has a fine point and it looks like it's gonna work really well. Next up from Ace Beauty, this is a blush palette. Let me open it to show you guys. I like the packaging. So here are the blushes. I love that these little palettes come with a mirror. Some of these blushes are good for the fall, some now for the summer, and beautiful. Here's everything I received for this month. Let me know if you guys got similar items. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.